So hey everybody, Dan here, LS Canother. Been a long time since I've done anything. It's just been real busy and hadn't had time to actually do anything, but I just thought I'd do a short quick video on if you've ever done these type of tires on wheelbarrows. You can see it's flat and it's not going to blow up. You can try it, but you can tell it's just not going to blow up. When I first tried doing this, I used a 2-inch strap, and it was really kind of a pain in the butt trying to do it. But there is a simpler way of doing this, and it's basically just with a string and a screwdriver. So let me get my string and screwdriver, and I'll show you how I'm going to do this. And it's pretty simple. So let's get to it. So as you can see, I have the tire and the string, and like I said, there's my loop. So I'm just going to take the string, go around the tire, feed it through the loop, and pull it tight. Show the strings down here. Take my screwdriver, set it in between the string, and just twist it around, keeping everything tight. Just twist it around a little bit more, like that. Then we're going to take our air hose, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll try to get some more videos out. Like and subscribe. Thank you.